Hello and welcome guys to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Zoom app for both host and participant. For this you need to be tuned. As everything has been locked down due to corona crisis and pandemic, there is no chance of moving here and there for our commercial or any purpose, so this Zoom app could be an alternative solution for us. With the motive to stay home, let's start the video. For Android users, you can download it from Play Store, and for Apple users, you can download it from App Store. I have already downloaded this app, so I'm going to click on this Zoom app. For the host, you should click on Sign Up and click on Date of Birth. I'm going to click on my date of birth. Okay, click on Set. And you need to click on email address for verification. You need to click on I agree to the terms of service and click on next, and they will send you verification code or mail, and I'm just going for Gmail so that I can see a mail. They haven't okay, they have sent me a mail, and I'm just clicking on the activate services, and I'm going to click on activate account. Okay guys, you just click on yes, continue. Okay, just click on host. I'm going to click on sign in with Google. That will be easier for me. Okay, click on schedule a new meeting. Okay, click on the topic you are going to discuss. It's me, football. You can also click on the description. I'm clicking on whatever I like. You need to click on the date. Okay, need to click on time. Okay, you need to set up the time zone as per your place, otherwise your meeting will be misplaced. And you can also click on recurring meeting. It will be for the date. You can add 5 days as per your wish, and they have already given us the passport. It will be better to make the camera on for both host and participant, and everything is fine, I think. So you just click on save. Okay, just click on Zoom. I've already clicked on sign in, so I have been in this page. And when you click on sign in and click on your Google account, then you'll find yourself on this page. And after getting on this page, okay, just click on meeting, and I've already started a meeting. I've already set up the meeting called football, and it is the title. And on the schedule date, you must click on start, and it's gonna prepare your meeting and connect.
inside of me, in this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging guy.
Now for the participant, it's very easy. Just click on Zoom app and just click on join a meeting and click on the meeting ID provided to you by your host. I'm just clicking on the okay, just click on join meeting and you can click on join meeting. Then it has been said it's preparing a meeting, so just click on the password provided to you by your host. Click on OK, and when your host let you in, then you will be able to see all the participants including your host. This is how the participant can participate in Zoom app. Thank you.